Hi everybody! In this video here we are going to look at how to multiply 4-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers, and the question we are looking at is 1246 multiplied by 34. The first thing we shall do is put our larger number here into the correct place value columns. So we have 6 ones. We have 4 tens, we have 2 hundreds, and we have 1,000. Now it's a multiplication question, so I'll place my multiplication symbol here just so that I don't do the wrong operation. We are multiplying by 34, so next we shall put that number in the correct headings, and we have 4 ones, and we have 3 tens. Now our first step is to multiply everything along the top row here by the unit number in 34. So we shall start by doing 4 multiplied by 6, and 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. My 4 will go here, and my 20 moves into our tens column. And you'll notice I left a nice big space here for when I carry my numbers. Now we've done 4 times 6, we'll now do 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, plus we have these 2 extra tens to add here, which gives us 18 tens. So the 8 goes here, and this goes here, as 18 tens is the same as 180. We've now done 4 times 4, so we will do 4 times 2, 4 times the 2 hundreds. So 4 times 2 is 8. We have this extra 100 here, giving us 900. And the final step for now is to do 4 multiplied by the 1,000 we have there, and 4 times 1 is 4, giving us 4,000. We've now multiplied everything on the top row by the unit number, or the ones number, which was 4. We now must multiply everything on the top row by the tens number, which in this case is 30. When we're multiplying by the tens column, the first thing we must do is to place a place value holder 0 in the units column, or the ones column. The reason we do this is we're multiplying everything up here by 30 as we're in the tens column, so we need our first answer in the tens column, and that's why we place our 0 there. We can now do our first multiplication on this row. So we need to do 30 times 6, or 3 times 6. Now 3 times 6 is 18. So my 8, as discussed, will go into the tens column, and the 1 goes here, as that was 100. We've done 30 times by the 6. We now must do 30 times by 40, or 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12, plus we have the extra 100 here, giving us 1,300. The 300 goes in the hundreds column, and 10 lots of 100 is the same as 1,000, so we move that into the thousands. We've done 30 times 40, or 3 times 4. We now do 30 multiplied by 200, or 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus we have the extra 1,000 here, giving us 7,000. We have done 30 multiplied by 200, so finally we multiply the 30 by the 1,000. So we do 3 times 1. Now 3 times 1 is 3. And we have now multiplied everything on the top row by the 30. Now, as we multiplied everything on the top row by the units or the ones number first, and then we multiplied everything on the top row by the tens number, we have partitioned them and we've done them separately. We must now add our two rows of answers together to give us our total. So we can begin adding each place value column. And as always, we shall start with the ones. So we have 4 ones plus 0, and that equals 4. And we'll do that in red so the answer is nice and clear. We can then move on to the tens column, and we've got 8 lots of 10 or 80, add another 8 lots of 10 or 80, and that gives us 16 lots of 10, which is the same as 160. So our 6 goes in the tens column, and we'll move the 100 into the hundreds column. We can then add our hundreds column. Now we have 900 add 300, and we also have this extra 100 to add down here. So I'm going to do 9, add 1 first of all, which is 10, and add the other 300, which gives us a total of 1300. So the 300 goes here, and the 1000, as it's equivalent to 1000, moves into the thousands column. We can then begin to add the thousands column. We have 4000, add 7000, which gives us 11,000, and we have our extra 1000 down here, giving us a total of 12,000. The 2 goes in the thousands column, and the 10,000 moves into its correct column. We will finally add the numbers or the digits in our 10,000 column, which is 3, plus the 1 down here, giving us a total of 4,000. 4 lots of 10,000, sorry. And there we have our answer. 1,246 multiplied by 34 equals 42,364. Pause the video now and have a go at solving this question for yourself. Here's your answer. How did you do?